Hello. Hi guys. I know guys my video is boring because all my videos mostly is just hello guys. How are you guys? Happy Sunday. Kumusta guys? Happy Sunday. I know guys. Sorry. Pasensya na kayo. Itong video ko palaging boring. Oo, boring talaga ang video ko guys. Oo, boring ang video ko kasi palagi lang ako nandito sa aking kotse. Oo. Ayan, I'm always in my car and I'm always saying hello, happy Sunday, happy Monday, happy Thursday, happy Tuesday. Every day is happy. O, tinan mo, sa kakaboring ng video ko, ganito ang itsura ko. So, I'm loving my new look, guys. What do you think? I look so maganda. Diba guys, I'm so pretty. Well, anyway, happy Sunday guys. Papunta na ako sa aking waraw.